Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your Raindrop Minute. So here is a valley in a roof, and here's a gutter without leaf protection. And you know, they put these splash guards on the gutter so that the water coming down, there's a lot of roof here coming into this valley, and when it rains hard, this water would shoot right over and onto the ground, causing erosion and washing out the landscaping, but also it's right over a porch. So you'd have to walk out of the house through this waterfall of water to get out of the house. But so this splash guard is here. But you know, this is how to clog a gutter. Because what else falls on a roof besides rain? Leaves, right? And sticks and twigs and stuff. So all that gets washed down the valley, and this splash guard actually catches it and backs it up, and you know, it clogs the gutter that way. So with Raindrop Gutter Guard in this application, the leaves would get washed right over the gutter guard and the water would go in. Splash guard's not an option. And that is your Raindrop Minute.